Two Maharajas walk into a bar. There's gotta be a joke there. There's got to be. Regardless, what's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here with yet another variation on PEZ dispensers. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Down there. Yes. Now then. Alright, here we go. We have two different Maharajas. The one on the right is going to be our Yugoslavia. The one on the left will be an Austria. Let's flip them over for the important information. As you can see, the focus doesn't work as fast as it should. But regardless, 2.6 Austria. IMC2. I call the IMC2 factory the overflow factory. They did a lot of Disney and a lot of PALs. Then we have a 2.6 Yugo double flower. See the two flowers? Right there and right there. And then you can kind of see this square that goes around the patent in the made-in country. Either the mold wore out or they put in something new in the mold. But they didn't cover up the two flowers there. So there we go. We got some flowers. And then the IMC on this will be V, the Roman numeral 45. The differences in the dispensers. Look at the back of the head on the Yugo. See how you can see the hole above the ear? Well, when we compare that to the Austrian, you can see the turban is a lot smaller on the Yugo, and it's not as tall. And the Austria one has more of a downward angle than a flat angle there. Another thing are the jewels, or the little ball thingies that hang down. They are a tad smaller on this turban than they are here on the Austria version. Another difference in the turban, the Austria version, right here, see how it sticks out a lot more holding the jewel? It's a lot more recessed and back. Doesn't stick out as much here on this Yugo version. And of course, the back of the head, when we look at the springs, both metal springs. But here we see the Austria version with the round little tab there on the inner sleeve. And here it's more of a squared off one. Wait a minute, there's a crack. Oh no. That one's a lot cheaper now. So there's your two variations. And then, just because I can, I do have another Yugo variation. And here you can see the snotty nose version. See his snotty nose? Excess plastic around the nose. That's what they refer to those as, snotty nose, like a kid with a runny nose. But here you can see the IMC is an actual 5. And it is a 3-4 no country. So that IMC 5 lets us know Yugoslavia. So there you go. Started with 2 Maharajas, and now we're at 3. So until next time.